Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Today, we will show you how to remove and replace the electronic control on this Whirlpool freestanding gas range. To begin this repair, we must first access the rear of the unit. Now that we're at the back of the unit, we're going to start by removing the screws to remove our covers. Set the lower cover off to the side, and then we're going to move on to the upper cover. So we're going to pull out from the bottom and slide the upper cover down to disengage it and then set it aside. Now that we have the covers removed, we have clear access to the control board. Some reasons why you might need to replace the control board are if you are getting an F1 error code or you have no display at all. So what you're going to want to do is take your meter and you're going to check for incoming power and neutral to the control board. Now here we have 120 volts. So we have power coming in, but let's say we don't have a display or we're getting the error code, we're going to want to replace that board now. We're going to disconnect the power, unplug all of our Molex connectors from the control board here. And there are 2 screws that hold it in. Pull the board out and then set it aside. We're going to take our new control board, we're going to slide it in from the top first. Make sure you have your insulation pushed down so you're not going to see it through the front. Line up your screw holes. Install the 2 screws that hold the control board in place. Take our Molex connectors, they are keyed so they only go on one way. Make sure we have all of our wires tucked in. And now we are ready to install the covers. To install the covers, the upper cover we're going to slide in under the control panel. And then line the screws up. Install our screws. We're going to install the lower cover. That will complete the repair. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.